Hello everybody, John Sposato here from the Arizona Home Group. I want to wish happy holidays to the entire AHG Nation. Many of you guys have been watching our videos each month and we thank you for that. However, we're excited to announce that we're going to be switching up and expanding our format a little bit, and we're going to start adding a lot more content to our channel for 2022. For those of you who haven't done so yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button below. You guys are going to be really happy with what you see. We're going to continue to bring you a monthly market report, but we're also going to be delivering you weekly videos about living in Phoenix to include highlights on different neighborhoods and hotspots and restaurants around the valley and favorite activities that you all like to do. We're going to take your input and we're going to do videos on those. We're also going to bring you tips and tricks every month about improving the values of your homes, as well as bring you the latest nuances of buying a home in Arizona because it's ever changing. So please click the bell in the upper corner to start receive those weekly updates, and thank you again for all your support. So here we are, December 2021, wrapping up, which by all accounts was one of the craziest years in Arizona real estate. And I'm looking at the indicators here and I'm wondering, wow, are we going to be seeing the same thing heading into 2022? So let's take a look at these indicators. So here we are with our big blue wave, and this is where I'm a little concerned. For the last month or so or more, inventory has been decreasing. In October and September, we were at around 7,500, 7,600 homes. Now we're down to 6,400 homes. Now, is this pattern something that's typical that happens around the holidays, or is this really things are heating up? So let's take a look. So here's our year over year for the last 3 years. In 2021, of course, you know the inventory is very low here in pink, but you can see in 2020 and 2019, the similar patterns where things start to less inventory as we head into the holidays, okay? And we're tracking that same pattern. So is that just a typical holiday slowdown, or is there more buyer activity out there? Let's take a look. So this is showing our new homes that come to the market every week. Brand new listings that come to the market, tracking 3 years in a row here, and you can see very similar patterns as we head out each year. In the spring, we get more listings that come to the market. Things start to sell off and level off through the summertime, and then as we head into the holidays, things tend to slow down. This is new listings coming to the market every week. You can see Thanksgiving, there's always that big drop. There's no new listings around Thanksgiving week. It's like the worst week to go on the market, and then things pick up again in December and then taper off into the holidays and into the New Year's. So we're tracking that similar pattern, so that's good. Let's take a look at demand. Is demand a little bit higher than normal? Well, here we are again. Now red here in 2021, right in the middle, just slightly below where we were last year, which was really pretty crazy. And then much higher than we were in 2019. But again, tracking a similar pattern of activity, which is a lot. Right now, there's 10,500 homes currently under sale. A lot of buyers writing contracts. So there's no really weird indicators here. It's a very hot market. Inventory is decreasing. Let's see what the Cromford market has to say. So here is our Cromford Index, our speedometer, and as we know, as we head away from 100, 100 is balanced. As we head away from 100s, we have a stronger market, stronger sellers market. So in November, we're at 352. In December here, we're at 376. So stronger market. As you can see, a little bit less demand, a little bit more demand, and a little bit less supply. So those added together add a 25-point increase. So definitely heating up as we head into the holiday season, a little bit different than it was last year. Let's look at the closings, okay? This is the entire year. Actually, there's 3 years in a row here, but here's this is basically 2021, looking every month. So fourth quarter was very strong. We had over 8,200 closings in October, November, as we were strong all through the summer. And you can see back in the spring when it was really strong, we were over 9,400 homes selling and closing in March, April, May, and June. That's when things were really, really crazy. But all in all, the entire year 2021 has had a lot of closings. We haven't had less than 8,000 closings since last February and January. So again, another great year. We've been telling you that all year, that the numbers have been great. Here's the final numbers for median home price year to date, 430,000, up again from last month, and up again 28% year over year. So by all indicators, those are crazy numbers. Do I have a crystal ball what's going to happen in 2022? No, but if I'm looking at the numbers, we've got a little bit hotter than normal December. Inventory is decreasing. Buyer activity is really strong. I think we're going to be heading into a strong 2022. I don't know if we'll do 28% again next year, but indicators are that there's going to be a very strong seller's market with a lot of buyers out there. Probably see some more bidding wars that will continue as we head into the spring, when more people start to come to the valley for relocate for school and jobs, etc. And none of that's going to change as long as interest rates stay as low as they are. They've been really low, almost at historical levels so far this year. And as we spoke about last month, the investors are taking advantage of the cheap money and they're buying investment properties. Rental market is really strong, whether that's long-term rentals or short-term Airbnbs. Everyone's getting in the game. They're taking their money out of Wall Street. They're diversifying a little bit more, and they're buying hard assets as a hedge against inflation. Those people are competing against the buyers who want to buy their homes. All of that is decreasing the inventory, and patterns are showing that we're going to have that same continue as we head into spring 2022. So there you have it, December 2021. Hope you guys are having a fantastic holiday season. We wish you all the best to your friends and family from the entire team, John, Sharon, Thea, Selene, Terry, and Carly. Hope you guys have a fantastic holiday season, and we're looking forward to seeing you in 2022. And don't forget to subscribe. There's going to be some great stuff coming your way. You guys take care. Thanks.